Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 128 of Surah Baqarah. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. ربنا وجعلنا مسلمين لك ومن ذريتنا أمة ومن ذريتنا أمة مسلمة لك ربنا. For Ra, circle your for Fatha, open your jaws. For Ra, you're making Ra heavy. Whenever there is Fatha or Dhamma on Ra, it will be heavy, and the heavy Ra sounds like raw material. Yes, a raw. Rabba attached with Ra with Ba. Rabba for Fatha, open your jaws. Na, 2 counts long. Sorry, it will be 2 counts long. ربنا وجعلنا for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws, attach it with jim. Jim will get qalqala. Qutu wujadin are the 5 letters. Whenever these letters come with sukoon, it gets qalqala, and qalqala is closing your makhraj very strongly, and then open it to create qalqala. Waj'al, ayn from your throat. For fatha, open your jaws and attach with lam. Lam will get tawassut. Al, ayn should be very clearly, the sound should al, na, 2 counts long. Mus for dhamma, circle your lips, and you're attaching it with seen. Seen will get rukhawa. It will get sawfir, the whistle sound, and musli for kasra, give e sound, and the sound should be short. May, lean are wow sakina and li ya sakina. Whenever they get fatha before it, they will be pronounced very softly, and these 2 huruf are called huruf leen, yailin and wawlin. So these are pronounced very softly. For fatha, open your jaws and give a very nice and sufficient time for fatha, and attach with ya very softly. May, look, when you will give a sufficient time on fatha, then you will get that lean effect, soft effect. Ma, may, ni. For ni is short, la short, ka short, laka, wa, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws, wa, mi, ikhfa, and this is a light ikhfa because dal is a light letter. What are the steps of ikhfa? You will hide the sound of noon, so you are not pronouncing noon. This is the first step. You are not pronouncing noon. What you will do then? You will go towards the makhraj of dal, and the makhraj of dal is what? Touching the tip of your tongue to the frontal edge of the frontal 2 teeth. So you will get towards this makhraj. This is the second sound. Like first step is don't pronounce noon. Go to the makhraj of dal, towards dal, not actually touch it, but you will go, like your tongue will be ready to pronounce dal. And thirdly, you will create a gunna by keeping the sound in your nose. This is the third step, and ikhfa steps are these, and these are the compulsory steps of ikhfa. Every ikhfa has these 3 steps. Yes, this is the light. So light ikhfa, so your tongue will be in a natural straight position. The way you are silent, your tongue is in a straight position. This is how your tongue should be when you are pronouncing light ikhfa. The tongue is straight. It is going towards the makhraj of dal and keeping your sound in your nose. dur. For dhamma, circle your lips. And for ra, you will give tawasut, and then you will go on ya, and ya will get nabar. Whenever waw and ya, these are the two letters, whenever these are with tashdid, waqfan or waslan, you are giving waqf or you are continuing your tilawa, they will get number. And number is a jump of sound, like you will give a little push. The sound will raise and the volume will raise. Sound and volume both will be raised to to create this number. Listen how it can be created. Zur, zur, ri. The moment I'm attaching ra with ya, this is the time when I'm creating nabar. Ri, and fatha will be very simple. Ya, zur, ri. Look, this is not similar how I'm attaching dal with ra. When I'm attaching, joining dal with ra, the sound is very different. But when I am joining this ra with ya, then the number is making a difference. Listen carefully. Dur, ri, ri. This is number. Ri, ya is short. Dur, ri, ya. T is short. Na, 4 comes long. This is mad munfasil, jaiz, and for dhamma, circle your lips and attach with meem. Give a nice time to create gunna, and gunna is keeping your sound in your nose, keeping sound in your nose. This is gunna. For fatha, fatha is very short. Ma, tam, idgham with gunna, you are merging this tanween sound into meem and with gunna. You're keeping the sound in your nose. Ummatam mus. For dhamma, clearly circle your lips, very like emphasize, like give exaggeration on circling your lips for dhamma, and attach with seen. Mus, give rakhawa on seen, give safir on the whistle sound should be there, and seen should be light. Musli, li is short, ma short. Tell, idgham without gunna, you are not creating sound in your nose right here. Lam. Lam and ra are the letters whenever they are with idgham, they are without gunna. You will not create gunna. Talla, la, short, ka, tallaka, wa. For fatha, open your jaws. For fatha, open your jaws. For wow, circle your lips. A, very strong sound should be there, which should give you a very uncomfortable sound in your ear. Can you hear this? Ah, ah. Yes, this is a sharp sound. For fatha, open your jaws. Ah, and it's the sound is short. Ri, short. Wa, ari. Na, 2 counts long. Ma, short. Na, 2 counts long. Mana, si. For kasra, give e sound. Ka, kaf is light letter, and for fatha, open your jaws, but the sound it should be very short. Sika, na, 2 counts long. Huwa, circle your lips for wow. For fatha, open your jaws. Huwa, tube. For dhamma, circle your lips and attach with ba, and ba will get qalqala, and qalqala is taba'ud. You are closing the makhraj strongly, and then you are opening it to create qalqala. Tube. The moment you will touch ba, your lips should be in a very straight position. Shouldn't be in a dhamma state. No, not at all. These should be very straight. Tube. Here you are circling your lips. Here you are keeping them very straight. Ain for fatha, open your jaws, and ain should be from your throat very clearly. Lay. Again, this is lean. Yailin or wowlin. Whenever you are creating these soft sound, give a very nice time on fatha, because the whole lean will take 2 counts long time. Lay, la, for lay, na, 2 counts long. But if you are not giving waqf here, then it will be 4 counts long, because you found what? Hamza after that. If you're stopping, it will be 2 counts long. Like I'm stopping here, so I will give it 2 counts long time. Alayna. I stop. I break my breath. Now I'll say innaka. Otherwise, if I'm not stopping here, I want to continue, then it will be alayna innaka. I didn't stop, so I'll give 4 counts long time here, because I found Hamza after it. Whenever you will find a Hamza after mud letter, you will make it 4 counts long, and that is called mud. Here it is called mud munfasil jaiz. In Hamza, give very sharp sound. For kasra, give e sound attached with noon. Noon will get gunna, and gunna is keeping your sound in your nose. In, this is gunna. For fatha, open your jaws. Na, ka, na, short, ka, short. Innaka, Hamza is a very sharp sound. For fatha, open your jaws and give ikhfa on this noon. In, oh, sorry. An, ta, ta is short, and ta is attached with other ta, ta, ta. Again, look, wow is with tashteed. I told you that number has to be there whenever wow or ya with tashdid. So here you got tashdid. So when you're attaching ta with wow, this is the place where you will create a nabar. And nabar is raise of volume and raise of your volume and sound. Ta, ta, wa, 2 counts long. Tawwabur. For dhamma, circle your lips, attach with ra. Bur, ra. Ra is short and it is heavy. Whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, zabar or pesh, it creates heavy sound. Ra, he, have from your throat, and it will be 4 haraka long here, because you are giving temporary sukoon. Whenever you find uh, um, mud letter before temporary sukoon, you will convert it into 4 counts, and that is called mad arid sukoon. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun wa salamun alal mursalin walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Lastly, I will recite it for you, the last part. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وأرنا وأرنا مناسكنا وتب علينا إنك أنت التواب الرحيم. You will get the wasat at the end, because Lin Omar are the letters which get the wasat. Yamim will get the wasat. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.